Welcome friends. Hi, I'm Karthik. This is online learning box, and in this video tutorial when we are going to learn figure drawing. So without wasting too much time, so let's start. This is our head portion. So don't worry about this just a rough drawing. Okay, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn just about the basic basic proportions of the figure drawing. And see, uh, this is head portions. So I'll just optimize this is my artboard, and this is illustration of the figure drawing. So let's start uh, figure drawing. So this is our head portions, and this is the neck portion. Okay, and now here as a tricky part, uh, so this is a shoulder, and here you can see uh, ball and let's say cube type things. Remember one thing, that you when you when you can draw good globe or good cube, you can draw anything. So this is a basic thigh portions, and this is a torso and chest portions. So it's so this is the chest portions. Okay, now this is a figure, and he holding something, and so there's a basic structure. Okay, basic structure. Here you can see I'm just simply drawing. Okay, so okay, just watch this video. You can definitely learn something. So here it's another leg, and see, our illustrations is almost ready, or almost done. There's a very basic illustrations, a very basic drawing, and see, this is a globe, and if I change the opacity, and try to draw again, just take this one, and okay, now this is more portions, and just draw line like this. Don't draw straight line. Okay, so this type of a straight line has no value in when you are sketching or want to be a good artist. So remember one thing, if you want to give some curve, or so here this is very important, this chest part, and here this sections you need to cut uh, this divisions, and here you can perfectly imagine this as a proportions, and this one, and for this one you need to draw like this, and here just this is a bone. So okay, now here, and this is the main thing. Okay, now for this portions you need to draw this collarbone area, and for this here there's a hand part. Okay, and now this one and this one, and now for this one I'm just going to remove this one because it is not give me the optimum result. So okay, now see was this joint. So and I think this is a critical portion. So when you want to draw this kind of critical portions, always remember that this is there's a q this type of uh, things we need to imagine, and underneath of this or the behind this things we need another thing like this. So you need to give a cube, need to give a pipe type of things. So there is a hole. Okay, there is a hole, and this is hand area. So draw circle, practice again and again, try to draw many circle and figure out your figure drawing classes, figure out your problem. This is here, it's a circle, and this is one circle, this is another circle. So try to draw many circle, practice like this, so just removing this one, it's not necessary. Practice like this always. Draw cube in your free time, in your this is a practice section. So draw like this. Okay, and draw your circle, draw circle like this circle. Okay, circle, many circle. And that's what happen when you draw in like this, your hands will be free, your hands will be accustomed to draw. Okay, so like this you can practice like this. Okay, C curve, S curve is very important. Okay, so later on in my later video and upcoming video I will definitely discuss on about this C curve and S curve. So here definitely you can see this is a joint area, and this is another knee joints area, and this is another knee joints area. It's a very important part. So always remember this one, and this is always remember this one and this one. Okay, and here there is a definitely very okay. So you can definitely understand this things and this things. This is a joints, and this one this is very important, and this curve for this. Okay, so I'm ending this session, figure drawing, basic figure drawing sessions. Before ending I'm just putting some finger here, so it's getting live. Okay, so gradually it's getting some live. Okay, okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you think this is helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.